Good morning all the students, how are you? I hope you all are best and fine, and today we are going to discuss our electricity and how the current is flows. Yesterday already we are discussed students. What we are discussed yesterday? Yeah, yesterday we are discussed how the dry cell is there and what is the parts are there in a dry cell and how it is a convert its a chemical energy into the electrical energy, that all the things we are discussed. Now we are going to our further chapter, that is only what is the simple circuit, how to we construct one simple electric circuit and what the instruments we are used for a electrical circuit actually, that is only. And now we form today one electrical circuit also, we have to go form one electric circuit also. Just wait for our friends purpose for a 1 minute. Yes. Yeah, yesterday we already discussed students how there is our dry cell is a convert its a chemical energy into the our electrical energy. In the chemical energy what will be there? In the our dry cell what will be there? In the dry cell there is a carbon rod and carbon powder and ammonium chloride. These all the chemicals are there. When there is one chemical is and as well as zinc plate is also there. Okay, when we are attached externally to the wires through the zinc and as well as this metal rod, there is a current, electricity may moves from chemical energy to the our electrical energy. Once again I repeat it here, there is already we are discussed, there is a what, this is the dry cell, in this one there is what will be there, in this one this is a zinc, this outer layer is a zinc and this is a shield. In this inside it already we are discussed like these particles are available. What is this? This is the chemicals. Okay, it is a combination of ammonium chloride and as well as the carbon powder. At the middle it is a carbon rod will be also there. Okay, there when we are attached to the wires here, automatically somewhat a difference will be get in the number of charged particles with the zinc and as well as this ammonium chloride and carbon rod. Automatically there is a charges are moved from where? From the low amount region to the there is a whatever the high amount of a region is there, high concentration region of the charges are moves towards the low concentration region, where it will be contained at a place here. On this particular place there is a more positive charged particles are there on this, where it is a negative, there it is a contain less positive charged ions are there. Now here there is a positive ions, there is a more negative ions. More negative means what? Less positive. More negative nothing but more positive. Here there is a positive or nothing but here it will be more positive, less negative. Automatically the particles are moved from more positive to the less positive for equilibrium purpose, less negative to the less negative particles positions are fulfilled by the high concentrated negative particle. In this way only electric current is moves. About this we are going to discuss in our rear classes why it is moves like that. Yes, now we are going to discuss one more important different symbols of electric components and how we recognize that electrical component. Yes, and as well as what the information we are getting from that electrical component once we have to go to discuss here. Yes. Yeah. Next component is what? Symbols of electric components. Symbols of electric components. What are the types of symbols we are used? Yeah, there is for every time we not written there is a whatever the words are there. Suppose in our textbook they are given like that addition, subtraction, division, greater than, less than, these all are every time we not write the total word greater than, just we are use the symbol like this. Okay, now less than like this symbol we are used, equal to this is we are used, addition, subtraction, the symbols are compulsory. In our electrical circuits also, we are used the so many symbols to represent what is that instrument we are used through the symbol only. Clear or not all the students? I hope got it here. Yes, in our electrical circuit also we are used the so many symbols only. Okay, and every time we not write that diagram, not draw the diagram of with the instrument nature. Suppose cell nothing but you not draw the cell, not need to draw the cell, just we have a symbol for the cell, nothing but electrical sources. For that bulb's purpose, every time we need not to draw the as a bulb to represent the bulb is there in that circuit. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, we are used in spite of that particular instrument diagrams these symbols. What the symbols are there in our textbook, the page number 65 it is available. Clear or not all the students? Yes, the page number 65 it will be available. Yes, how we written? Suppose we want to, yes, we want to explain the one small circuit. Yes, here given in the page number 64 the drawing of a circuit diagram. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, here there is a simply we are taken one battery here. Yes, and for the glowing the bulb purpose we are taken what here? We are taken one dry cell here. Okay, clear? There is a what? It will be one of the wire will be taken here, and here also one wire will be taken, and there will be taken one switch like this thing. Okay, clear or not all the students? One switch we are taken, and here we taken one bulb also. Here we are taken one bulb also. Clear or not all the students? Here we taken a bulb also. Yes, and here it is only contain a simple circuit. Here we contain only one battery, one bulb only, and one switch only. In case there is a what? Number of bulbs are available, number of switches are available, number of sources are also available. How can you draw? It is possible to draw. Yes, like this. Every time it is possible to draw. In our home, suppose there is a number of consumer of electricity are there, TV, yes, your mobile, and as well as there is a fan, refrigerator, lights, so many electrical consumers are there. Then how to draw that all in a pictorial format? It is not possible to draw every time. Suppose for our home it is writtenable or drawable, but when you take up a total town, how to represent the town electrical circuit? It will be very critical to draw like this. That's why only we are used the what? We are used the symbol to represent electrical circuits. How we are used? What is the name of that particular electrical component? Yes, now we are going to discuss. It will be available in a particular page number 65. It's a very important here. There is a first one. It is a given electrical component. It is a given as electric component, and what is the symbol we are used? What is the symbol we are used for? Yes, this electrical components, and here what is its a use here? Okay, clear or not, all of you? What is its a use here also given? That is only the symbol. Okay, clear or not, all the student? That is a symbol, and the next one it is use or description. Okay, clear or not, all the students? It is a description or use. Yeah, here there is a what we are taken, one of the electrical component here, that is only cell. I am not drawn the diagram, just I am taken the words only cell. How we represent a cell or battery? By using this line. Okay, clear or not, all of you? By using this symbol. Yes, it is a one line is there, it is a positive, it is a negative, that is only the symbol. Then what is its a use? The longer vertical line denotes the positive terminal, and the thicker smaller line denotes the negative symbol. Clear or not, all the students? This is indicate the what? A positive terminal means what? More positives are there. That small line indicates less positive. Less positive position is nothing but high negative particles are there. That is only represented here. I hope you understood about this symbol. In this symbol, there it will be contains of what actually? It will be contains like this. It is a positive electrode. It is a negative electrode. Got it? It is positive electrode. It is a negative electrode. This positive electrode is a contain like a long line. The negative electrode, it is a contain a small line. The positive electrode long line means what here? It will be contain. It will be contain more positive particle. It will be contain less negative particles. Got it or not? This is only the information we are taken for the cell. Next to come to here, there is a electric bulb. It is a what? It is a electric bulb. How we take an electric bulb here? The electric bulb is taken like this symbol. This symbol is represents the what? Electric bulb here. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Yes, what it will be represent in this? Electric bulb is in a, yes, it is represent in off position. In case we are draw the lines like this, it is on position. Okay, this is the filament, and this is the what? This is the surrounded by the things, and it is a what? Wires are connected to that. Okay, now to the circuit. This is only the description may have possible to write. And next one, it is a switch. On, and one more thing is also there, that is a switch off. Actually, switches are represented by these lines. Actually, by these lines, there is like a bubbles are there. Okay, now yes, it is a connection. Indicates the what? Between that, it is a connection. It is a looking like a closed connection. And now there is a what? In case it is this part is a open, yes, to this point. Okay, clear or not, all the students? This point is a open to this particular point. Yes, this is a called off condition. When this is a connected to this point, it is a called as on condition. I hope you got it. It is a switch off. It is a switch on. Yes, when it is connected to this particular point, it is only called switch off and switch on. Okay, got it or not? Then next come to here. Yes, what will be there? Electric bulb on. Already I am given this symbol. Electric bulb on means what? Above the bulb there is somewhat lines are there. It is called electric bulb on. Yes, next one more here. I hope you understood. These are the fundamental symbols. This is the cell, this is the electric bulb, this is the switch, this is the switch off, switch on. Like that we are taken here. Next to come to here, there is one more thing. The batteries are in series. Okay, clear or not all of you? There is the batteries are in parallel or otherwise batteries are in series. Every time we are used in not only the single battery, we required the more brighted bulb required. At that time what we have to do? In spite of one battery, we are used more than one batteries. Okay, clear or not all of you? That is only we are taken here. There is the batteries are used like that. Yes, number of batteries are only we are used. Either maybe in a series or maybe in a parallel, we will discuss later. More than one battery, more than one battery. At that time, one battery means what? We are used only this symbol. Okay, more than one batteries are nothing but we are used like this symbol. Okay, clear or not all of you? It is also called in another word series battery connection. The positive is connected to the negative, negative is connected to the positive, negative it is only called, yes, more than one batteries are used in a series. And sometimes it is a parallel also may be there, the batteries are connected parallel. We have a later about this lesson, how to be connected batteries are in a parallel and as well as in a series. This is also we are connected batteries in this way also or in this way also. It is about a combination of more than one batteries. Got it or not? It is a combination of more than one battery how we are used. Okay, this is about what actually, this is about different symbols we are used. You know very well fuse. How we are taken a fuse here? Why we are taken a fuse? Okay, in case the current is coming a more unwanted current sometimes may passes through the circuit, that electrical appliances may undergoes damages. For the protection of this one, we are used the what actually? We are used the fuses. Okay, now the fuse symbol, the fuse, whatever fuse we are used, the fuse symbol may like this it here. Okay, clear or not all the students? The fuse symbol may contain like this it here. Yes, it will be used for the as protection of our electrical appliances from the damages when we will get the more current through the circuit. These are only given in our textbook. Okay, clear or not all the students? Apart from our textbook where there is so many electrical components are also there. If possible, once you have to write in your notes, there is a whatever the electrical components. Yes, apart from our textbook it is. Suppose you take a transformer. Okay, clear or not all of you? You know very well transformer. Not on our electrical appliances purpose wherever it is appear on the streets. That is only not called transformer. In our so many of our electrical appliances are also transformers are there. Small transformers. Okay, clear or not all of you? In the TV transformer is there. In the mobile is also transformer is there. Transformer is to transform the current from one device to the another devices. The type of a transformers are may looks in this particular form. Okay, clear or not all the students? They symbolically they represented like this. This is a called transformer. The use of the transformer is what? Transform the current from one body to the another body. Clear? This is the transformer. The next you take one more thing, that is a capacitor. Capacitor. Yes, it stores the energy. Electrical energy is stored in that capacitor. That capacitor is somewhat looks like a battery only, but what is the difference between capacitor and battery? There is a both lines are same in the capacitor. In the battery these lines are not same. Okay, now it will be indicate that our energy stored between these two plates. Clear or not, all the students? This is only about capacitor. And we want to control the current through one instrument, that is only called resistance. It is called what? Resistance. Understand not all the students? This symbol, like this symbol will be there, it is called resistance. I hope you got it is. Yes, and these are the three things there is we have, and moreover these things are also there. So many are there, not only whatever contained in our textbook, so many electrical components are there. Yes, these are the resistance, and as well as the rheostat, that is indicated with the RH. Okay, rheostats means what? Now we want to use it is in a stabilizers. The stabilizer, when we increase one button, automatically there is a whatever arrow in the meter, it will be also increases, you know very well. That will be used by using this instrument that called as a rheostat. Okay, clear? In the our accelerator in the fan, yes, it's a working based on this one only. We are increasing that, okay, now current inside of our circuit, or decreasing our current in the circuit by using one particular instrument. This is called as a rheostat. The rheostat is symbolized like this. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Yes, and moreover there is a keys, somewhat like a buttons only, or whatever switches only, but there is that switches are different from these switches. This is called what? Tap key. Okay, not a button it is. Okay, when we are immersed one particular metal, automatically the current is work. In this one we immersed like this one metal, it is called tap key. Okay, now when we removed it, automatically there is our total circuit is not works. You know very well. For the somewhat purpose of what our whatever our keys are contained in our hotels, there is a whatever the we want to remove the current through the total room. Okay, we want to immerse one key like the thing, and otherwise where we want to off the current, we remove the tap. Okay, now automatically we remove that strip, automatically the current may off in that particular room. Like the things are may appear in our especially well established houses. That is, we want to remove the current when we go out from the room. Okay, now there is we have to take a strip for the key, and that will be enter into that particular hole. It will be the current will be get. Otherwise, current may disconnected. In that mode, there is about different symbols may are considered for our electrical component. Okay, now by using our electrical symbols, we want to draw one particular. I have to go with the draw of our particular electrical circuit. Okay, now there is already before that I am drawn one particular electrical circuit like a switch, and here there is we taken a one bulb here. Okay, clear or not, all the students? We are taken a bulb like this. These are the instruments, and now I am connected. There is a one more wire here. There is we are taken a one switch here. The switch is connected to the another terminal. It is a what? It is a battery or a cell. We are taken here. Okay, now, and here there is it is a positive terminal. It is a negative terminal, and this is a switch. Okay, it is a what? Bulb. Now, how to write it is in a symbolic form. It is in instrument mode. Now, how to write it is in a symbolic form? There it is a negative. That's why I am right here. Our battery is like this. This is a negative. This is a positive. Okay, clear. And it is a what? It is indicate the wire. Then what we have to write here? There is a bulb. The bulb here, now I am taken in this form. Okay, here what we have here, it is a contain one switch here. Okay, clear or not, all the students? We have here one switch will be there. How to we write the switch here? Now the bulb is not glows. That's why the switch may write like this. Understand not, all of you? This is the equivalent symbolic circuit of this one. Okay, clear or not, all the students? And now when we touch it here, okay, now another one bulb want to glow for us. Now there is a what? How we written? Yeah, you write like that. Okay, now you take a switch here. You connect these two. Okay, now the bulb is under glows. In this way, we are represented our electric circuit symbolically. Once check in our electric circuit, what is there? In our electric circuit, compulsory, the three components are compulsory. One is a cell, another one is a bulb, another one is a switch. One is a cell, another one is a bulb, another one is a switch, another one is a wire. What the three things are compulsory required? One is the electrical source, another one is a electrical connector, another one is a electrical consumer. Whatever the biggest circuit or whatever the smallest circuit, compulsory, they contain the three things are compulsory. One is a what? One is a source of electricity, another one is a connectors of electricity, another one is a consumers of electricity. As the source of electricity is a cell, as the consumer is a bulb, another one is a connector is a switch. Got it or not? Yeah, this is only about our symbols of electrical components. I hope you got it. These all are electrical components we are used in our electrical circuits or other electrical components. Okay, got it or not? I hope you got it or here it is only about our component of our electrical circuit and how there is a symbolized as in our electric circuit from the instruments. Okay, as here there is a what in case we want to immerse in that one fuse, otherwise we want to immerse any transformer, you connected in this between there is a between a source and a consumer. Sources are nothing but what nana which produce the electrical current, that is only sources. Battery, cell and power stations, all are sources. Okay, and what is the connectors? Connectors are nothing but between a source and consumer, whatever the things are there. Yes, whatever the things are there, that is only called as actually it is only called as connectors, like wires, copper wires or otherwise aluminium wires, conductors, electrical conductors, otherwise there is a resistance, the rheostats, these all are connectors only. Okay, and the next one is what? Consumers. The bulb, fan, TV, these all are consumers. Okay, one of our students may ask one doubt here. What is the difference is there between battery and as well as the bulb? Cell. Cell is nothing but single component of battery. Battery is nothing but contain a more than one cells. Okay, clear or not all the students? I hope you got it. More than one cells are contained in that particular instrument, that is called a battery. Okay, clear or not all the students? More than one sources may contain inside it. Cell is nothing but single component of electrical source. That is only the main difference is there between a battery and as well as the cell. Okay, yes, got it? Yeah, there is a one we are going here to discuss about what actually how to construct a simple circuit, the order of a connection of a simple circuit. Yeah, how to connect it is. Once check it here. Here we are taken one battery. Yes, the construction of a simple circuit. In the next page we have here. After these symbols, what we have? There is a what in the page number. Yes, our 66. How to construct one simple circuit like this? We are connect a simple circuit. We have to take here battery. In this battery, you have to recognize where the positive terminal is there, where the negative terminal is there, and for our convenience purpose, I am taken this is the this is the only. Yes, here there is a whatever the red color side it will be there, it is a positive terminal. One check it here. It is a positive terminal. Got it? It is a what? It is a negative terminal. First you have to take the what actually? Battery. Yes. And you take a one wire for a positive terminal. Here this red wire is taken for a positive terminal. And one more wire you take, it is a negative terminal like this. You have to take a battery or a cell. One wire you take, it is for what? It is for, yes, positive terminal. Another wire is connected to the negative terminal. And then after it is a possible you take a switch and one wire is connected to the, okay now, like this we are take here. Once check here all the students. Now this is only the simple circuit. There is a no switch. Okay, clear or not all the student? There is a what? It will be also contain. There is a positive. I hope there is may appear for you. Just a minute. Yeah, there is a these are the bulbs where I am taken. There is this one, this side is a container positive terminal and as well as the negative terminals are also there on this battery, this bulbs also. There is a what? When I am taken, it is a positive and now I am connected, there is a what? This wires to the positive to the Once check here all the students. Yeah, like this. Like the bulb is a glows. Once check here. Yeah. Actually, this is the battery we are taken. It is a positive terminal. It is a negative terminal. I am connected the two wires for the positive and negative, and these are connected to this, and bulb is a glows now. This is only the circuit here. Okay, simply what is the circuit, and this is only the circuit. Got it? This is the battery, one terminal, and there is a no switch. Here between this we are connected any switch. Okay, you will get that one more wire. This is a positive terminal, this is a negative terminal. This wire is connected through the switch, and here it will be get our light will be get for us. Okay, this is only simple circuit. In which way we are going to connect here? There is a first one, positive terminal, and one wire. And the next what here? Here what we are taken? One terminal of battery, and there is a wire we are taken here. That wire is connected to the switch, and switch here, and the switch again connected to the which one? Switch again connected to the wire, Here switch is connected to the one more wire here, and then next here it is connected to the bulb. It is connected to the bulb, and it is connected to the one more wire, and there is a what, it is connected to the negative terminal of battery. Got it or not, all the students? I hope you got it. What it is? Positive terminal, and it is a wire, it is a switch, and one more wire, and next bulb, next wire, and next what? Negative terminal. Got it or not? This is only the circuit order. Don't change this order. In case you change this order, that our electric circuit is not working in this order. Positive terminal and the wire, and there is, it is a switch. Indirectly it is only called a switch here, and one more wire, bulb, and there is a next wire to the negative terminal of the battery. This black one is a negative terminal. Got it? This is only the simple circuit. Whatever the electric circuit, this is a fundamental. You take one wire from the positive terminal, next it is connected to the switch, next you take one more wire from the switch, and next to connect it to the consumer, then next you take the one more wire for consumer, then next it is again connected to the negative terminal of the battery. Automatically that electrical circuit may work. Okay, this is only about the connection of a simple electric circuit. Once you try, if possible, in your home also by using this type of a small batteries only. Don't play with electrical currents. Okay, clear? And now, I hope you got it. Tomorrow we'll go with the what? Connection of electric cells. How do we connect the electrical cells in a parallel and as well as in a series? Yes? How do we connect it is? Positive to the negative, negative to the positive, it is called a series connection. All the positives are connected in one particular common point, all the negatives are connected another particular common point, it is called as parallel. Okay, now what is going on due to this parallel connection, what is going on due to this series connection, tomorrow we are going to discuss. Thank you students, bye, take care.